you looking for nail builder gel? Watch the whole video and I hope you will find your nail builder gel which you are really searching. Do you know why we have chosen this nail builder gel for you? Because this nail builder gel is durable, anti-alcohol, beautiful color maintaining gel and 100% brand new. Besides this gel has also some great features. Feature non-toxic chemical stimulation, harmless of human body and nail, with the same willfulness as the natural nail, flexible, easy to break, no burning or yellowing, crystal clear, glossy and transparent, durable, anti-alcohol, beautiful color will not fall off. Item specifics: net WD 56G/2 Os. Ingredient: gel. Quantity: 1 pieces. Color: clear, white, light pink, pink. Suitable for UV LED hard gel. Reviews: this nail builder has 4.4 rating and brand new on AliExpress. So, we think this UV LED hard gel is the best for you. If you want to buy this nail builder, visit the description link. Visit store link to get more nail builder gel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel if you want to skin and health related video. See you in the next video.